Well, in another development coming out of the PAC yesterday, it emerged that the hospital, the university hospital, will face the financial penalty for somehow allowing its tax-exempt status to be unlawfully used by these private companies. And I am learning that on Monday, day before yesterday, one of the four companies, yes, paid over to the customs authorities more than $10 million. Yes. Based on what it imported under this unlawful use of the hospital's tax-exempt status. They have since made good. I'm awaiting, I'm not naming the company yet because I'm awaiting the documentary proof that it was paid over. Yes? That is why I'm not naming, but I believe that based on our principles, fair reporting, they have paid it over, we should report it. But I want to see, I said to my source, when I see the documentary evidence of it, then I can go down the wicket and say that. All right?